Let's talk about the list that has shook two nations. Not a list of achievers, not a list of immigrants who are chasing dreams, but a list labeled as worst of the worst criminal aliens. That's right, and this time it carries names that have sparked global debates, deep concern, and deep questions. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Yatri, and among those listed, there are Indians, and among them, 21 are Gujaratis. Now let's step into the story. Can you imagine thousands of miles away, inside the United States immigration offices, law enforcement agencies, they are quietly building the databases, tracking the undocumented migrants and tracking the criminal networks as well, tracking people who are living in the shadows. So recently, American authorities listed one such list. And it wasn't just any routine paperwork, it was part of a massive crackdown. A crackdown targeting migrants accused of serious crime. Let me tell you the number that will shock you. The numbers, they are startling. Well, a total of 89 Indian nationals appeared on this particular list, and nearly 1/4 of them came from Gujarat. Officials say that these individuals were arrested by the United States Immigration and Custom Enforcement, and now they face deportation. In fact, under strict enforcement rules targeting dangerous offenders. That is massive. But you know what? Here is where this particular story turns really dark. US authorities claim that many of these cases, they are not any small mistakes, not any minor violation. Investigators say that several individuals were linked to fraud networks, money laundering, identity theft, and in many cases, the alleged victims, they were elderly citizens in America. That's right. Experts believe that such crime, they often operate through organized system, using fake identities, fake accounts, and international money trail. They are not any random crimes. Well, authorities say it involved planning, coordination, repeated targeting, and shamefully, there are a lot of Gujaratis on it. And then the charges that become more disturbing. Some names on that particular list, they are reportedly linked to offences involving the minors. While others, they face charges related to drug trafficking, robbery, or dealing in stolen items. US agencies say that these are considered high priority cases because they directly impact the public safety. But this particular story is not just about crime. It's about how migration dream and how they sometimes turn into dangerous journey. Well, investigators believe that many undocumented migrants enter the US through risky, illegal route, often falling into networks run by human smugglers or becoming trapped in underground financial ring circle. And once caught in that system, escape becomes nearly impossible for them. Now, for the authorities, the message is crystal clear. The crackdown aims to deport those convicted of serious offences, starting with what officials call the worst of the worst.